Hey, after school friends, we're going to do a little experiment today. And this is one you can do at home if you want to show your parents. First, you're going to take milk and try to use whole milk or 2% milk. It works better with this experiment. So we're doing an experiment to make rainbow colors mixed together through milk. So I'm going to take milk and pour it onto this plate. And I'm going to add some food coloring. You can use what other colors you need or want to use for this. And in the middle, you're going to squeeze some dots of food color. I'm going to use 4 colors on this to see what kind of patterns we get. And what's happening with this is we're going to use soap detergent to add, and it will reduce the tension of the milk fat from the surface to make it the fat particles move around on the surface of the milk. So once you do all that, then you take your detergent and you drop a couple drops in the middle, and it spreads out, very colorful. We'll add one more by there. You can see all the colors kind of shot out and spread around because the tension is reduced from the detergent with the fat particles, and it causes it to spread around on the milk surface. But you can do this at home with just a few ingredients: milk, detergent, and our food coloring. So give it a whirl.